There is nothing worse as being a business owner that doesn't have access to a local SEO profile. I don't care if we're talking Google My Business, Google Business Profile, which they go by now, Google Places, Facebook, Apple Maps, any of those networks. If you have an account, and it doesn't matter if it's been suspended, if you don't have access to that email, or you're just stuck. I just was dealing with one of our members and helping them go through the process. They had an agency that they hired to do their profile and to be able to get their profile active, and they were doing all the marketing for them. That agency just went MIA. They had absolutely no idea where they were, and they didn't have access to their profile. We worked with Google, we worked with all the different networks to be able to regain access and get them found, so that way they are being found by more local customers that are searching for the products and services they're offering. There's nothing more frustrating to a business owner than to not have access to these viable pieces of the business. It's like back in the day when you had yellow pages, and if you weren't in the yellow pages, you weren't being found. And it's one of those things to where your local SEO is so important. So we help our members be able to regain that access if they're currently having those issues. There's no additional charges. It is included in your membership. When you're a member of Simply Be Found, our entire goal is to be able to help you. We have a whole entire coaching staff that is behind you to help you every step of the way, do your own marketing. And we don't do your marketing for you, but we help you be able to do your own marketing in about an hour a week, and to be able to get found by more local customers. So if your business profile is currently blocked, suspended, forgot the password, don't have access to the email, whatever your scenario is, once you become a member of Simply Be Found, we'll help you go through that process to be able to get it regained. We don't guarantee we can do it, because there's going to be some of those cases that we just can't help you. And if we can't help you, we have no problem refunding your money to you. If you can't use our platform, we would never just say, hey, guess what, we're keeping your money. That's just not who we are. We're a small business. You have a 1 in 5 chance of getting me when you when you contact us. I handle about 70% of the accounts like this where people are having issues. I've been doing this since 1995. There's not much I haven't seen so far. So if you're currently blocked, currently suspended, whatever it might be, definitely check us out, simplybefound.com. Become a member today and start being found by more local customers who are looking for the products and services that you sell, and they're currently searching for them today.